Hello lovelies, welcome to part 4 of 7 Days of Stocking Stuffers Beauty Edition, because again, who doesn't like cute little beauty gifts? Today we're diving into Nudestix. This is their Rose and Honey Nudes. Just like adorable and chic, and then it has all your little sticks inside. I'm going to apply the bronzing stick as if it was a contour stick, just because that's where I want to bronze my face up. Lots on the 5 head, folks, okay? Blends out quite nicely, as you can see. I get why people love these so much, because they're just like really easy. It's a no fuss, but like high impact makeup kit. I mean, I feel better already. Somehow, when I have a little bit of bronze on me, it just boosts my mood. All right, let's put on some blush, okay? I'm gonna give myself little circles, okay? A little bit on the bridge of the nose, a little bit on the eyelids, because I always apply my blush to my eyelids, okay? It's just something I do. I feel like we might actually be able to add a little bit more to the cheeks. Yeah, that makes me happy. Bronzed and blushed. It's just, it's a good look. It's a good look on everyone. A little bit on the brow bone, cheekbone, bridge of the nose, tip of the nose, Cupid's bow. Through the brow bone, through the cheekbones. I just realized I never applied anything to my lips. So I'll put a little bit of the rose. Come in with the bronzer and put it kind of along the outer corners for more of a warmed up vibe. In conclusion, kind of love this set. I love how it blended out into my skin tone. Normally I don't go for like a pink blush. I'm more of a peachy girl, but I feel like this one came out beautiful. Great concept for someone who is new to makeup, or for someone who likes like no fuss makeup. The entire kit is $29, so also really great if you want to like stay under that $30 price point.